Innovation for waste minimization.
This is Becca's recommended spray gun cleaning procedure for the S700M manual solvent spray gun cleaner workstation. Let's review the manual process. Clean the spray gun as soon as possible after using it. Dispose of the paint left in the spray gun into an approved waste container. Rinse the spray gun with solvent gun cleaning solution and pour the pre-rinse into an approved waste container. Be sure to trigger the gun over the container. Remove the air cap and place it in the spray gun cleaner. Attach the quick disconnect to the spray gun to protect the air passageway. Using the solvent selection switch, turn it to Use Solvent. Using the manual wash selection, turn it to Flow Brush. Clean the fluid tip and fluid entry passageway aggressively with the flow brush. Clean the air cap with the flow brush, making sure to clean the small holes in each air horn. Using the manual wash selection, turn it to Power Pistol. Power flush the fluid passageway completely with the Power Pistol. Using the solvent selection, turn it to Clean Solvent. Again, quickly power flush the fluid passageway completely with the Power Pistol. The spray gun is now ready for the drying process. With the air still connected, trigger the spray gun to expel the solution. Wipe down the outside of the spray gun and disconnect the QD. Replace the air cap. Your spray gun is now clean and dry, ready for its next use.
Innovation for waste minimization.